In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Excel sheet to WhatsApp using a laptop. By the end, you will know exactly how to log in on the web. Pick the right chat, attach your spreadsheet, and send it without losing formatting. First, open your preferred web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. You will see a large QR code on the page. To log in, use your phone's WhatsApp app to scan that QR code. On your phone, open WhatsApp. Find the option to link a device and point your camera at the QR code on your laptop screen. Make sure both your phone and your laptop have an active internet connection. Once it connects, your chats will load right in the browser. Next, choose the conversation where you want to send the file. You can search for a contact or a group at the top. Then click to open that chat. Take a quick moment to confirm you are in the correct conversation, especially if you are about to send a sensitive or important spreadsheet. Now, look for the attachment icon to the left of the message box. On WhatsApp Web, this usually looks like a paperclip or a small plus sign. Click it. And from the menu that appears, select Document. This is important because choosing Document preserves your Excel file exactly as it is, including formulas and formatting, rather than converting it into an image or a preview. A file browser window will open. Navigate to where your Excel file is saved on your computer and select the .xlsx or .xls file you want to share. If the file is currently open in Excel, it's a good idea to save and close it first, so your latest changes are included. Giving your file a clear name can also help the recipient identify it quickly. After selecting the file, you'll see a small preview panel in WhatsApp Web with the file name and size. If you want, you can type a short message in the caption field to explain what the sheet contains. When you are ready, click the Send button. You'll see a brief upload indicator. Larger files may take longer, depending on your connection. WhatsApp supports sizable documents, but if the upload fails, check your internet connection or reduce the file size if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.